Welcome back to Learn Academic English. I'm Jenna and I teach intermediate and advanced level lessons for English learners who want to take their English to the next level. Today I'm going to teach you a very common idiom in American English. It's here's my 2 cents, or get my 2 cents in, or my 2 cents worth.
And that's my 2 cents.
So all of these have similar meanings and I'll explain them in just a moment. So I thought about this because yesterday I was teaching my students how to express their opinion. And of course there are many ways that you can express your opinion in English. You can say I think, I believe, I feel, in my opinion, it seems to me that. And I also told them that they could say here's my 2 cents. One of my students then asked me, can I say, here's my 3 cents or here's my 4 cents? And I said, no, that's a really good question. But because this is an idiom, it has a fixed phrase that we always say 2 cents. We never say 3 or 4, etc. What does it mean? What does here's my 2 cents mean? It means here is my opinion. Or here is my perspective on something. Sometimes this is considered an unsolicited opinion, meaning that nobody asked you your opinion, but you are giving it. Or it also can mean that when there are many people who are gathered together and each person is giving their opinion, you want to give your opinion as well. So when we use this phrase, it has the idea that our opinion is pretty strong, that we're not really interested in changing our mind or maybe negotiating. Instead, we are presenting our perspective. It doesn't have a negative meaning, but it does have the feeling that the person's opinion is fairly strong. And we often use this in class discussions or work meetings, or other situations where you want to present your opinion. So here's how we use it. Here's my 2 cents, period, and then we tell our opinion. Here's my 2 cents. Learning English online is more difficult and less effective than learning in person. Here are the reasons why. Okay, another way we can say is, here's my 2 cents worth. And again, we would just continue with our opinion.
Why don't you put your 2 cents worth in?
We can also say, can I get my 2 cents in? To get your 2 cents in means to present or to tell your 2 cents, to get your opinion into the conversation. For example, you might say, she always has a strong opinion, and yesterday when we were having a discussion at dinner, she had to get her 2 cents in. She had to share her opinion.
Can I put in my 2 cents on?
Finally, we can also use 2 cents or 2 cents worth as a substitute for the word opinion. So we could say something like, have you shared your 2 cents yet? Have you shared your opinion yet? Or, if you don't like it, you can add your 2 cents worth. You can let them know your opinion. All of these examples will be listed in the description box below, so you can check them. And I would love to hear from you. Have you used this expression in your English before? Have you heard this expression? Let me know if you have questions, and I hope to see you back here next time. Take care.